Hello everyone. We are representing VIT University in Texas Instruments Analog Design Contest 2011. We are team number 148. The title of our project is Prioritized Traffic Signal Preemption. Our project focuses on providing a congestion-free path to the emergency vehicle. This is the arena for our project. As you can see, a four-way intersection centered a traffic signal and some toy cars representing traffic in real-time scenario. Also an emergency vehicle on which our focus mainly lies. The setup also includes street lights which displays direction of approach for the driver of the emergency vehicle. In order to demonstrate our project, we use EZ430 RF2500 transceiver modules provided by Texas Instruments so that the driver of the emergency vehicle can communicate with the traffic signal. One of the modules is placed for the traffic light and one is placed on the emergency vehicle. The module of the traffic light is programmed as the access point, while the one for the emergency vehicle is programmed as the end device. The end device is integrated with switches so that the driver can convey its direction of approach. The street lights will be suitably placed in real-time scenario so that it gives the driver ample time to convey its direction. Now I will brief you about its functioning. Initially, the traffic signal has its normal functioning. One direction would be green and the other three red. To demonstrate our model, we have programmed the traffic lights for a smaller duration. Now, we assume that our emergency vehicle is approaching from the north direction. The driver of the vehicle will see the direction of approach from the street light and conveys the same by pressing a switch corresponding to that direction. We have set the strength of the signal to match up with the real-time scenario, keeping in mind the distance constraint, that is, we have set a threshold for minimum RF strength to be 70% of the maximum strength. Because the vehicle is out of range of detection, which is decided by the RF strength being less than 70%, we notice that there is no interruption in the normal functioning of the traffic light. As the emergency vehicle approaches the traffic signal will preempt, as you can see now. The delay is set suitable enough to clear the traffic in front of the emergency vehicle and thus providing a congestion-free path. After this frame, the traffic light automatically resumes its normal functioning. We have tried to incorporate the function so that the order of the traffic light remains cyclic and in order. Similarly, the same can be shown by assuming the direction of approach of the emergency vehicle to any other direction. Say east. The emergency vehicle approaches the signal from east direction. The driver presses the corresponding switch for east direction in the end device. This end device conveys the message to the traffic signal. The traffic signal preempts its normal functioning to specifically east, thus clearing the traffic for the emergency vehicle. The emergency vehicle passes to its destined route and the traffic signal resumes its normal functioning, awaiting for a signal from any other direction to preempt its functioning. For emergency vehicles like ambulance, fire brigade, police, VIP vehicles, etc., time is a very critical factor. Our so proposed idea aspires to decrease the response time of these vehicles. Now we would like to thank our mentor Dr. Elizabeth Rufus for providing us constant guidance to ensure the completion of our project. We also would like to thank Dr. C.P. Ravikumar and Mr. Sagar Juneja for providing us this opportunity and the required components. At last, we would like to thank Professor B. Karthikeyan for helping us in sorting our technical challenges. Thank you.